Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Ford Transit Custom. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work. Next, you will need to gain access to the alternator, which might involve removing a few components like air ducts or covers. Finally, locate the serpentine belt tensioner and release the tension to remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Now that the belt is off, it is time to disconnect the electrical wiring. There will typically be one main power cable and a smaller connector for the voltage regulator. Be sure to unclip these carefully. After that, you will need to remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Once these bolts are out, you can carefully maneuver and remove the old alternator from the engine bay. With the old unit out, you can now carefully place your new alternator into its designated mounting bracket. Align the bolt holes and reinsert the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, tightening them securely to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, reconnect the main power cable and the smaller voltage regulator connector, ensuring they are firmly attached. Double-check all connections for a snug fit. The next step is to carefully route the serpentine belt back on all the pulleys, including the new alternator pulley. Once the belt is in place, retension it using the tensioner, ensuring it is tight enough to prevent slipping but not overly stressed. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal, start your engine, and observe the dashboard for any warning lights, confirming proper charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.